Hello and welcome to the Toronto Top Show. This is Promonoise. I'm here with special guest Joe from JLine. Joe, how are you, man?
I'm good. How are you? Nice to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too. I'm so excited to do this interview here, Joe, because I've been walking around this booth here and I'm just like, everything is like eco-friendly and everything's made in
Canada.
Like 99% of this line is made in Canada, and if not, it's North American made. So I love this line. So Joe's gonna show me a few of his most impressive ideas right now. But there's a philosophy behind this company, right? And this philosophy is partnership with distributors and sustainability. Talk to me a little bit about what that means to you.
Absolutely. So we've really invested in alternative substrates.
Yep.
So we're looking at eco paper in terms of seed paper, stone paper, wood. So a lot of different alternatives where we can really reduce our carbon footprint.
Super cool. One of the things I noticed when I walked in this booth is that I gravitated towards this table, and this table's got this bucket of water, and there's paper inside of it. Joe, can you show me this particular product over here and talk to me about what this is?
Okay, so this right here is something called stone paper. So it is made from 85% crushed calcium carbonate. And so it has absolutely no traditional tree pulp in terms of the creation. So it is 100% waterproof. Okay?
That is wild. Like, how many times have you gone camping and you bring a map with you or something, and then the thing is just shredded by the time you're done because you've had water all over it? Now, this is a live interview. We've got people that are watching us right now. You got to check this out, guys. Anna, is that not the most amazing product ever? Right? Stone paper in water and it won't even rip. It's amazing stuff, right?
It's so cool. And you could write on it with any pen.
So Joe is writing on this stone paper even though it's just come out of the water. I mean, that is eco-friendly. That is amazing.
And you could dunk it right back in.
I love it.
Isn't that great?
This is the kind of company we're talking about at JLine over here. A company that's conscientious, a company that's groundbreaking with innovative technology. And that's not all. That's not the only type of paper you're using. Talk to me about some of the other types of paper that you're using these days.
Okay, so I'll take you right over here.
Okay.
So this is our seed paper. So this is handmade paper that includes thousands of wildflower seeds. It is embedded right in the paper.
Unreal.
And what we do is we print directly on top of it. There's no coating. It's 100% safe for the ground. And when you're done with the piece, you just simply rip it up, plant it, and you'll get wildflower seeds. It's pretty crazy.
How cool is that? And so I would imagine, Joe, that you can make pretty much anything. You guys die cut these in-house, right?
Yep, absolutely.
So you can make bookmarks, you can make door hangers, you can make wedding invitations, you could do really anything you want, right?
Yeah, we have the capabilities in-house to custom die cut almost any piece.
Amazing. And so that's another type of sustainable fabric that you're using. You've seen the stone paper, you're seeing seed paper over here. That's incredible. What other types of sustainable things are you doing these days that are hitting the market and really resonating with customers?
Okay, so what we have over here is wood. So we have actual 1/8 inch wood, and we have 17 mil birch veneer.
Oh, no kidding. So you could make like pretty much like a business card out of wood.
Yep. Business cards, invitations, ornaments, key tags, anything like that. Completely sustainable. It's all sourced locally.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible. So now we've seen stone paper, we've seen seed paper, we're seeing wood over here. I mean, really, and who's designing this stuff? Who is coming up with these concepts? You must have a team in-house that's constantly scouring the earth for really cool ideas.
We do. We have myself and the owner, Rob.
Yep.
We're very good at creating, new creative, innovative products. So, and that's been our real focus lately within the last couple of years. Sustainability, reducing carbon footprint, anything we do.
That is awesome. And then in addition to that, I see you've got some seedlings here. Is this something you sell, or is this just like a giveaway today? Or
this is a brand new product. We don't even have it in our 2023 catalog.
Okay.
That's how new it is.
Wow.
So you can get your own Norway spruce seedling.
Yep.
Anywhere from between 4 and 10 inches. It's grown.
Yep.
So it's really quite innovative. Nobody's really doing this.
Ooh, that's really kind of fun, right? And so if you're doing any kind of event like a skip for heart or a run for the cure, you know, this could be one of the participation gifts, right? It's something that they can plant, and you're reminded of that event for the rest of your life as you watch this tree grow, right?
Every time they see it, they'll be reminded of the event.
So this is really the essence of promo, and this is where I see promo going these days, is that people don't just want a trinket anymore. They don't just want something that's going to be thrown away. They want something that's going to turn into a whole forest of flowers, like that seed paper that we're seeing. We're looking at innovative items like these saplings here, where again, you plant it and you're reminded of the company that gave it to you. So, you know, if it happens to be the Lotto Association that gave it to me, every time I see that tree, I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that beautiful gift that was given to me. So the branding continues, and you watch it, you literally watch it grow.
Absolutely.
That's incredible, Joe.
Yeah.
I'm so honored to have taken this time with you, and thank you for taking the time to walk me through the booth, show me these really innovative ideas. Your JLine, how can people get a hold of you? What's your website address?
So our website is jay-line.com, jline.com. My email is joe@jline.com, so they can reach me directly there. If they have any questions about any of our products or our processes, just hit me up.
Fabulous. Joe, you've been amazing. Thanks for the education today. And hey, on behalf of us at Promonoise, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time. Let's keep making beautiful noise.